How to set up Tinder account 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to set up your Tinder account in 2024. So first of all, just simply go to your Play Store or your app, and after that just simply download the Tinder application in your mobile device, and after that just simply click on open to open the app. And as soon as you click on open, you will be able to see this interface where you have to log in into your account using your Google ID, your Facebook or your phone number. So I'm going to select my Google ID and just simply select the ID through which you want to create or set up your Tinder account. And once you have selected the account, over here just enter your phone number. A code will be sent to your registered mobile number and you just have to enter it and click on next again. And once it is done, you will see this interface where it says welcome to Tinder, and you have to select the type of account you want to create. So if you want to create for yourself, make sure that you upload your picture, age, bio, and some truth about yourself and something in your bio as well. And it says that be safe, don't be too quick to give your personal information, and you can also read the data safety precautions over here. So just simply click on this blue tab and you will be redirected to the page where you can read all the safety measures while using the Tinder app. So you can go through this particular article right here and just come back to the home screen. And it says that play it cool and respect other and treat them well as well, and would you like to be treated. And you have to be very proactive while using the app as well. And click on I agree with all the terms and condition, and just simply enter your first name, click on next and click on let's go once you have entered your name, and click on next again. And now you have to select your gender, either you are a woman, men or others. So you can select your gender accordingly, and you can also choose to select whether your gender should be shown in your profile or not. And now you have to mention about your sexual orientation, either straight, gay, lesbian, so you can select accordingly and click on next. And you can also mention that it will be showing in your profile or not. So if you want it to be shown into your profile, you can select the checkbox and click on next. And now you have to select your interest in the particular gender and click on next. And you can also select what you are looking for and next. And then you have to enter your preferred distance in which you want to be matched with the profiles around you. So you can toggle this bar and select the preferred location as per your like. So if you want a long distance, you can go up to the bar, and if you want short distance, you can select accordingly and click on next. And now you have to enter your personal details, like what you are studying right now, if you are currently working, or you are working professional, or you are a student. So you can also skip it if you don't want to enter the details. And you can also talk about your lifestyle, your habits and other things. So if you work out or not, do you smoke, do you have pets? And if you don't want to enter these details, you can simply skip them and enter them later on once your profile has been set up completely, because simply we are just creating the account right now. And you can select your preferred movies and the shows that you are watching, and your preferred kind of topics that you would like to talk about, like mental health, your sport habits and stuff like that. And now you have to enter your pictures. So you can select up to, so you have to update at least 2 pictures of yours to start with, and you can go up to 4 or 6 if you want to. You cannot skip this step, so you have to upload your pictures in order to create or set up your profile successfully. So you can select the pictures accordingly. I'm selecting my pet pictures over here and click on next and click on next. And once it is done, just simply click on next over here. And now you have to allow your location as well, so you can select while using the app or as per your choice. Click on continue, and you can also import your contact over here if you want to, and if you don't want to, you can simply skip them. And now as you can see that your profile has been created successfully, and simply click on get started. And now you can go ahead and start the tutorial if you don't have any idea how this works. So you can do that, and you can skip it as well if you don't want to. And now you can see different profiles that you can swipe right or left as per your liking. So this is basically how you will be able to set up Tinder account in 2024. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.